Welcome to the finale of the 4 Bodies Alignment Journey. I'm Derek. If you have followed this series from the beginning, you have done the heavy lifting. You know how to ground the body. You know how to neutralize your emotions. You know how to silence the mind. And you know how to connect to spirit. But here is the reality of professional practice. You cannot treat these as 4 separate checklists. Imagine an orchestra. The strings practice alone, the woodwinds practice alone, the percussion practices alone, but the magic only happens when they play together in perfect time. That is what we call coherence. When your 4 bodies are integrated, you don't have to try to be intuitive. You simply are the instrument. Your pendulum doesn't hesitate. Your guidance doesn't fluctuate. You are a solid column of light. Today, we are going to stack these layers. We are going to lock them into place so you can walk into any session, pick up any chart, and work with total command of your energy. Let's bring it all home. Close your eyes. Welcome to the integration. Sit tall. Let your spine be straight, like a rod connecting heaven and earth. We are going to move efficiently now. We are going to call all parts of you into the room. First, the physical body. Feel the weight of your bones. Feel the gravity anchoring you. You are here, safe, stable. Say silently, I am grounded. Second, the emotional body. Feel the stillness in your chest. The lake is calm. You have no agenda. You have no need to save. You are a witness. Say silently, I am neutral. Third, the mental body. Feel the space behind your eyes. The chatter has stopped. The cup is empty. You are listening, not thinking. Say silently, I am silent. Fourth, the spiritual body. Feel the pillar of light entering your crown. The connection to high self is open. The frequency is pure. Say silently, I am connected. Now, hold all 4 sensations at once. You are grounded and connected. You are neutral and silent. Imagine these 4 layers merging, like different colored lights blending into one pure, brilliant white beam. There is no physical or spiritual anymore. There is only you. This is the unified field. Notice how strong this feels. In this state, you cannot be drained by clients because you are not leaking energy. You are a closed circuit of power. In this state, you do not doubt your pendulum because there is no mental interference to wobble it. Feel the hum of this alignment. It is peaceful yet alert. We are going to lock this state in. I want you to make a small physical gesture, perhaps touching your thumb and forefinger together or placing a hand on your heart. As you do this, give your system a command. I anchor this state of coherence. I am now a clear instrument for the highest good. Memorize this feeling. This is your baseline. This is where you work from. Breathe it in deeply. Fill every cell with the memory of this unity. And when you are ready to step into your power and begin your work, gently open your eyes. How does that feel? You might feel lighter, yet heavier, more expansive, yet more focused. That paradox is the signature of a master practitioner. You now have the complete toolkit. You have the individual meditations for when a specific part of you is out of balance, and you have this integration session for your daily alignment. My advice? Don't just watch these videos, use them. Before you open a chart, before you pick up a pendulum, take 5 minutes to run this protocol. Your clients will feel the difference. And more importantly, you will feel the difference in your own energy levels at the end of the day. Thank you for taking this journey with me on the BodyMaitre podcast. It is an honor to help you sharpen your instrument. I'm Derek. Stay aligned, stay clear, and I'll see you in the next series.